In functional grammar series, we learn change of voice, interrogative, informative, past continuous tense, compiled and voiced by Nageswar Rao A, English teacher, Sri Prakash. At the end of the lesson, we learn to identify an interrogative sentence that is informative. We learn to identify the object. We learn to identify the sentence in active form. We learn to identify the sentence in passive form. We learn tense-wise extra B form that we need to add while transforming the sentence from active voice to passive voice. Let us study the following sentence. Who was teaching English? What is the type of the sentence? It is interrogative, informative sentence, as it asks the information about the person who taught English. Can you identify the object of the sentence? Yes, it is English. We get the answer English when we raise a question, what is taught? What is the tense of the sentence? It is past continuous, as the verb is in continuous form, that is was oblique were plus present participle. Now let us study structure in both active and passive form. Active form: who plus was oblique were plus present participle plus object. Passive form: by whom plus was oblique were plus object plus being plus past participle. What extra be form do we add? It is being. Where do we place the extra be form? After the object. Now the answer for the question who was teaching English active is by whom was English being taught passive. Now let us study the following examples. Who was writing this novel? Active. By whom was this novel being written? Passive. Who was carrying the child? Active. By whom was the child being cared? Passive. Who was looking into the case? Active. By whom was the case being looked into? Passive. Who was bringing vegetables from the market? By whom were vegetables being brought from the market? Passive.